Hi guys, this is a tutorial on using the new Amazon business accounts that we all have. So you should have gotten an email that says action required to activate your newly created Weber School District Amazon business account. So sign in, it was super easy. It's just gonna do it with your Google and then bookmark that page. And this is your Amazon business account. And what's awesome about this is that you are able to go into your account and then come to your lists and create a list that you can either do it by your name, or if you have specific accounts that have numbers, you are able to then change this to be a number of your account. So I have several different accounts and you can name them whatever you need. And then in your accounts, you're then able to just add orders, but it's super easy then to share this with our head secretaries with the share button right here. When you get an item that you want, just go to the lists that you've created and add it to the list. Then you can go look at your list, click share, and then put in the email address of your head secretary. It will recognize this person because it's part of our business organization. You click there and then press save. Your head secretary can then go into their Amazon account and order your item.